Hello, and sorry for the lack of videos and uploads recently on this channel. It's just that I've been busy on my main channel a lot, so yeah. Today we're gonna play some Subway Surfers. Surfer. First time playing it. Hopefully I'm not terrible. When were you born? Nobody cares. I was born in 2017. I was born on November 2017. I'm very young. Okay, let's go. Huh. I got owned. Ready, set, huh. This reminds me of Temple Run. Fish moves. Huh. 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 There's a hoverboard in this game. Whoa. Now go. Bruh. They already made this game so hard, but it's actually pretty entertaining so far. Oh gosh! I was supposed to jump on that. This requires a lot of good timing. 1,000 points in one run. Oh gosh, I suck at this game. Why do I have to choose this game for my new high score? Look at him. Let's play another round. Let's go. This also reminds me of Minion Rush. I got my hoverboard back. Oh gosh. What was I supposed to do here? Wait, the police is chasing me because I stole something from a Subway. I remember now. Why is it lagging? Mario Kart 5 doesn't lag. Why does this lag? She caught me. Temple Run was just crazy of a game. There was like this ape chasing you whenever you did something wrong, and then he would eat you at the end if you failed the level. Pretty of a messed up game. Oops. What did I do here? Look how hard this is. Look at the dog. Look how hard. This is super hard. If this does not look hard, guys. Oh, I have 0 hoverboard. If this does not look hard, guys, I don't know what you call hard because this is hard. Let's go. Save random games. What is that? Oh my gosh, it's an Easter egg thing. I could have gotten that jetpack. There's like no obstacle courses on here. But you're probably going to fall back down because this is too OP. Yup. What the heck? That is so unfair. He jumps with you. He's gonna... There's no way that police officer can jump that high. I'm trying to beat my top run right now. Look at the points go down on my top run. My top run was so good, and it was my first time too. Ha! Ha! Come on, beat my top run. Oh gosh, this is getting super hard. Look how hard it's getting. What am I supposed to do? Do I have key? Guys, what are you supposed to do with this? That was impossible to beat. Guys, tell me if you beat that part or if you even played. Ha! Just using my save me things. Come on. I need to beat my score. Dang it, I don't have enough. How much? Let's see if I get anything good. Double up. Wait, oh, that means I add. 1 second, let me just clear that. Pause. Okay, let's go. We're back. Whoa, no, I scored. That's what I'm talking about, boy. Okay, let's do this run one more time and see if we can beat our score again. So one more time. Look how hard this is. I actually tried to do some. Whoa, that magma. Whoop. Oh! Okay. That's going to be a video. Make sure you leave a like and bye.